So this is 119 7th Street, Belleair Beach, and we're running the camera to mark out the lines. If you go in the house on the right side of the house, we pushed through all the way to the city tap, and I just wanted to record the condition of this main line. It's in pretty rough shape. So right now we're going basically from the city tap at the street, and we're coming back towards the house. So the main line's in, as you can see, is in pretty rough shape. That's a cast iron combo, maybe coming from the other side of the house. So now we changed to PVC. This is a clean out that's just outside the property, and then they left it cast coming through the footer. Again, we're on the right side of the house. Then it changes back to PVC.
Does it drop down there?
No, that's not a drop. See, that's a clean out right here. That's outside. Actually, that's the inside clean out, sorry. And then see how it turns to the left, and then turns immediately back to the right, just like I have it spray painted. Hear it over there? And then you've got through the footer, clean out, turn to the right. No drop. Yeah. So now we're just pulling back to the closet flange. I just wanted to get that on video for you.